After forming their groups and deciding on their national parks, students will visit the Parks Canada website via the provided link in the Prezi. They will then view the alphabetical list of parks and research for them. Once they have researched their selected parks, they will log on to umapper.com.
This is umapper.com, a utility that allows users to manipulate online maps. Each group will log into a teacher-provided account. Then click on Create Map. Write a title for your map and provide a description. Select an online map platform. In this example, we will choose Google Maps, since Canada's national parks are already included. Then customize your settings. In this example, we will use the default settings. Once the students are ready to proceed, they click Submit.
Okay, so this is the next step which will come up once they click on Submit. This is umapper being used on Google Maps. So they will go to North America. So from here, they're able to actually find the parks that they chose. In this situation, we're going to go with 4 parks that are in Ontario. So the first one is Wabakimi, which is in northwestern Ontario. The next step that they're going to have is to add a marker. So you click on Add Marker on the far right, and on top of Wabakimi, I will place the marker. From here, they are able to put information about the marker. So I labeled which park it is, as well as why they chose it. From here, they were also able to change things, like maybe they want to underline certain things in the actual text. They can also add images or audio as to why they chose it. For now, I'm just going to leave it as the text. So you click Submit, and there's both the actual marker and the information as to why it was chosen. So next, I will go to Woodland Caribou Provincial Park. Once again, I will add a marker. So this will be our second location. So again, I will add the new title. Woodland Caribou, and again, the information. Now, once they actually go through all 4, I'm not going to put the actual information down for Pasquai or Polar Bear. I'm just going to put the actual locations down. From here, they are able to now map out the progression of their trip and showing how their charter flight would actually work. This is by clicking on the far right once again to add line. We'll start by clicking on Wabakimi, which was the first, and connecting it to Woodland Caribou, which was the second, and that shows a line between the two. From here, they would go to Woodland Caribou, which is the second, and bring it to the third, and from the third, it would go to the fourth, Another option would be to also show where they're flying from originally to go to their first location, but in this situation this is fine. To get the line to stop moving, you click again on the last location you're at, and you're able to move around the cursor once again. This is all that is required. Once they have all their information written down on each park as to why they chose it and they gave it all a title, they are now able to hit save, which is again on the far right. And this saves this as an online file. Now, once it is saved, they're able to go to View Map, which is on the top. And it will show their actual map as a picture of a map. This is what will be marked for completion by the teacher. And from here, they're again able to edit any info on the map because it is public. They're able to also edit the map, or if they are not okay with what they've done, they want to change it completely, they're able to delete the whole map and start over. Once they are done, they can log out at the top right corner. Once the teacher is logging back in, they are able to add any comments here. This is where feedback would be put. Just write a little thing in here. And click on add comment, and it is now there permanently. And you can see that here there's one comment, and you can find the comment from the teacher. Now once the teacher is done, I will actually show you the logout process. You just hit logout at the top, and it brings you back to the original umapper menu.